Hello, it's Deborah from the attic. I've just received the latest vintage subscription kit from Your Creative Studio. This is a kit for September, so we're going to dive in and have a look. If you're new here, hi, you're very welcome, and you've got over 400 videos to catch up on my channel. So please visit the playlist for journal making, card making, or if you're interested in how I live my life here in France, you can look at the playlist for My Real French Life. If you're in a hurry, try the coffee break tutorial playlist because that's got loads of quick ideas that you can enjoy while having a cup of tea. Please subscribe, hit the like button when you enjoy a video because it really helps me grow my channel and I'm very appreciative of your support. If you're a returning friend, hello again. Keep watching till the end to see what I make of this kit. So what we'll do is we'll go through the contents of the kit and then I will go off and make something using just what is in the kit. And hopefully that will inspire you as well. There's always a little welcome and thank you card that gives you a clue about what's in the kit. This says, thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. And that's a quote from the Buddha. Let's see what we have. I'm trying to not destroy the rather nice tissue paper that this comes wrapped in. It's always useful to keep and save for other projects. It's no secret that this is one of my absolutely favourite kits for journaling because you get just so much in this. If this is your first viewing, I think you might be surprised. I'll provide all of the links to this subscription kit below the video. So just click on the read more section to drop that little box down. So these are, oh, I like that. They're layered cards in various vintagey and sepia colours. So we've got a long, a medium and a short little square one. That's very nice. I love layering in journals and collages in journals, so this is terrific and you can see how many you get there. I've got to leap into this one, it's intriguing me. I think this might be a stamp. Oh no, I'm wrong, no it's not. Look at how many you get in that box. Wow. These are stickers. There's a protective backing, you peel that away and you can stick them onto your projects. That is brilliant. That's a fabulously big selection of little stickers. They're almost like specimen labels, aren't they? Who doesn't love a little envelope to use in their projects? And these are made from a really nice sturdy paper. They're all the same design and there are 8. I love the packaging that the cling stamps come in. There are 3 stamps. There's a little stubby candle, there's a candle on a rather elaborate candle holder, and then there's this wee willy winky style. Now these stamps always come on, they're pre-mounted on this board, this squeezy mount, the grey area. The stamp is the red area, and they always have a protective backing. I know in the past some people have commented that they found this a little bit tricky, and it can be tricky to find the place where you need to pull away the protective backing, but once you've got it, peel it away, and then to avoid any problems with this has got a really high tack when you first peel that backing off it. So what to do is put it on the back of your hand a few times because that will just reduce the adhesive tack on here. And it means that the next time you put your protective backing on it, the stick will be less, which will make it easier for you to peel the backing off again. So be careful the very first time you peel the backing off, and then if you knock off some of that sticky, you'll be fine. It's worth taking your time with that because they are beautiful stamps. Oh, I love how things are packaged. I always say this, I say it in every reveal, but it is a bit like Christmas. Oh, it's a notebook. Oh, wow, that's a really beautiful little single signature notebook. And those pages, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, they're not just really beautifully coloured. They have a texture to them. In this little bag we have a charm, and it is, oh, it's very sweet. It's a little lantern. And I always try and keep these envelopes and not rip them, because they will make great things for projects in future. Oh, that's lovely. That's just the same as the same style of lantern as the little charm is. I love these little envelopes. So I think we've got 3 little envelopes in this kit. Ah, this washi tape has got images of those candles. And because the theme is vintage and the colourways are vintage colourways, sepias, browns, those sorts of colours, you can always mix and match things with previous kits. We've got a handful of these stamp style stickers. These are a parchment style. You peel off the protective backing. With these, it's actually easier to peel it off from the front. Just beautiful, and the detail on them is fantastic. To show you all of the designs, it might be easier for me to show you the packaging. That's nice. We've got the sun bursting through the window now. Ooh. Oh, these are all envelopes. I haven't seen these in the kits before. Oh my goodness. Oh my, they are just ridiculously gorgeous. You get, oh, there are 2 sheets inside. Plain on the reverse, so you could write on the reverse if you wanted, although that would be a shame because it would show through. And then there is this little seal, so you would put whatever you want in the envelope and use the sticker to seal the top. That's beautiful. And there are 3 of these envelopes. Oh, the packaging on this is just so lovely, and there's a very useful bit of twine. I always keep things like that because they can always be used in journals. Lots of designs on the reverse. Oh my. Again, these are stickers. You don't even need adhesives to use these things. Oh my goodness. Oh, aren't they so lovely? Mushrooms, little stickers. That looks like that could be an envelope if it was folded the right way. There's some tags. There's another tag there. Oh, and some beautiful parchment pieces of paper. I do like this sort of parchment faux vellum. Oh, these are stickers. I can feel the protective backing on the reverse of them. So these are stickers. That's fabulous. Oh, love those. And another little envelope. And then a sticker. Again, this is a sticker, I can tell from the protective backing, with flowers on them. That's beautiful. There's a sticker sheet that has lanterns on them. You just peel that away and it has a clear background, so you can stick it onto anything and it'll look like the lantern is there in black ink. And we even have some papers. And I think some of these may be large stickers. Usually 2 of them are, and then the rest will be papers. So I'm going to make something using the contents of this kit. Before I show you what I've made, I thought you might like to see how the stamps print out, and the detail in them is really impressive and it's been picked out really well. I've used a black StazOn ink, but I think they look fabulous and they're going to be a great addition to your stamping stash. So as for what I made, it's an envelope. I've used one of the stickers on the front, and I've used one of the envelopes that actually contain some of the elements within the kit. But there were so many little envelopes and packets and things that I've managed to put other items, double them up into another envelope to release this one for me to use. And I've made a sort of a card that you would give to somebody. Now on this side I've actually used, this was a piece of cardboard packaging that was in one of the plastic bags to keep everything sort of from getting squashed and folded over. I've cut off some of the merchandise information at the top. I've used my cornerizer thing to create rounded corners, and I've covered the reverse of it, which had images of some of the contents, with one of the square plastic backed sheets of paper, and you just peel off the protective backing and you can glue it straight on or stick it straight on and then just cut around the excess. Then I've taken the card. Do you remember the card I read out at the beginning of the kit? Because I thought that was a really lovely sentiment, and it's an exact match for the width of this packaging cardboard. I've also rounded its corners and I've created a little pocket. So I've glued down the sides and the bottom. I've used the twine that was around another element within the kit, and I've created this little pocket for one of the envelopes. And my idea for the envelope is that you would open up the envelope, remove the tag with the use of the little lantern on the end of the twine, and your sentiment or your greeting would be written on the inside of there. So it's sort of a greetings card that is also a bit of a treasure hunt. Within the envelope itself is white. When you fold it up, that will be white. So I took one of the little sticky stamps, and when the envelope was open, I stuck it onto the envelope. I cut around the curve of the envelope so that it matched the little envelope shape or pocket shape, and that way it means that when you open this up, you're not met with a plain white interior, and everything just pops back in there and then pops into the envelope. And I think that's quite a nice way to use up some of the packaging as well, because as you know, I like to use packaging. And there were so many things in this kit. There were so many things I could have made. I was really spoiled for choice, and I was a bit stuck on what to show you. And I've decided that this was the one that I really thought would be a greetings card with a bit of a difference. I'm going to provide all of the links to this kit below the video, and for the meantime I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, thank you for your time as always, and until we meet again, stay safe and take care.